Welcome to this video on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is changing the world we live in, and it's important to understand what it is and how it works. Artificial intelligence refers to machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, and learning. There are many types of AI, from robots to chatbots, and they can be programmed to do a wide variety of tasks. AI is everywhere around us, from the personal assistant on your smartphone to the recommendation algorithms on streaming services. One of the most important things about AI is that it can learn and improve over time. This is done through a process called machine learning, where the AI is trained on large amounts of data and then uses that data to make predictions or decisions. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks to model and solve complex problems. Another area where artificial intelligence is making a big impact is in virtual reality and augmented reality, where it is being used to create more realistic and immersive experiences. There are also some concerns about artificial intelligence, particularly around issues like privacy and job displacement. However, as with any technology, it's important to understand both the benefits and the risks so that we can make informed decisions. Thanks for watching this video on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. We hope you learned something new and that you continue to explore this exciting field. Subscribe to our channel to keep up with the emerging trends in the world of business.